So here we got another limited edition Oris dive watch, and this is the Clipperton. This is the Oris Clipperton with the metal bracelet. You can see the booklet there. The book discusses what Clipperton is, and to be honest, I wasn't sure what Clipperton was until I went through the book and looked it up a little bit online. Here we got the green box. This is the special box that's made out of an algae. You know, it's really cool. So instead of using plastics, they're trying to change, you know, the way watches are done a little bit, and at least their packaging. So here you've got that algae case. It's a pretty outside the box thinking for a box if you think about it. There you got the little Clipperton stamp on there, and it is a limited edition of 2000. And here you go with the metal strap. It is a really handsome looking watch. So the face is supposed to resemble the Clipperton Atoll, the waters around it, and it is a really nice looking face. You can see it there. I'm trying to move it around in the light a little bit so you can see the gradation of the colors. And if you've never really seen an Aquis or worn an Aquis, I would recommend you try it out, because the Aquis is just simply a really nice dive watch. It's not huge and bulky like a lot of dive watches. It's got a good size to it. There you can see it's not thick, which makes it nice, because around the boat you're going to be banging it a lot if you got a big giant dive watch. That's something they never really talk about when they're talking about dive watches, is you don't want to bang the heck out of things, because there are a lot of places to bang your watch. Here we go. You can see that face again. I like that they did the black ceramic dial. The crystal is of course the sapphire crystal. And Clipperton, it's a special atoll because it's a place where a lot of pelagic fish meet, and I guess it's similar to something like the Galapagos. It's got a lot of unique species there, variations of species. Sharks like to, you know, travel around there, so it's an important, I guess, migration place. So yeah, the crystal's got an anti-reflective crystal on it, and on the back you can see the stainless steel case back with the special imprint of Clipperton Island. It's got the longitude and latitude on there, so really cool looking. And here it is on my wrist. My wrist size is about a 7.5 inch wrist, so it's a good sized watch. You can see it there. It is about 43 millimeters, and soon we'll go take this baby into the dark. What it's got is a super luminova to give it the glowing. It's a nickel hour and minute hands, and those are also filled with the super luminova. So again, a cool watch. Thanks. Bye.